today a very delicious recipe to make a smoothie. The first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna use a very powerful protein. I choose this time the Deonlife protein because it's rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and the Coenzime Q10 that is gonna give you a lot of energy and is gonna help you with your metabolism. It's really easy, you will see. Okay, we're gonna put a scoop. Then we're gonna put enough spinach. Okay, don't be afraid with the spinach. Put enough blueberries. Now we're gonna put the strawberries. The strawberries are the best fruit that you can use because it's very low in sugar. And this is my secret. We're gonna put avocado. Well, the avocado, you will have this beautiful smoothie. And today I'm gonna use almond milk. You can use whatever milk you want. You can use coconut milk, almond milk, or even water, okay? I'm gonna use almond milk today. Now, let's mix all of it.